Hello, as you can see this time I've finished implementing my final project, and I tried to implement a simple calculator using Tkinter graphic user interface Python framework, and these are the codes that I used to implement my functions. And this calculator have some basic functions that are addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. And after going to the terminal and I learned this piece of command, I saw that I have this application, and we can start by typing like 1 plus 2. Yeah, it's 3 as you can see it. Like when you say 2 times 9, it is 18. Like 6 minus 9, let's take 6 minus 9. Yeah, it's minus 3 as you can see. And 8 divided by 5. Yeah, you can see that it's 1.6. Yeah, this was all when I tried to finish my project. And I thank you for watching this some, and thank you for giving me some basic skills about using Python. Thank you.